All right, guys, y'all know what it is, man. We're gonna jump straight into this video. As you can see, I have the Andis Envy II clipper. So y'all know what we about to do in this video, man. We about to unbox this. I'm gonna give y'all a couple videos of me using this clipper, and then I'm gonna give y'all my review. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, guys, so check it out once again. Here is the Andis Envy II Premier Edition clipper. Andis sent this to me courtesy of FW Barber Supply. So if you are interested in this, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on their website to save yourself some money when you purchase anything off their website, but especially this tool right here, since this is the video y'all watching. But let's go ahead and look at the box, man. As you can see, we got nice box by Andis. I'm gonna read some of the stuff on the box before I actually get to unboxing. Andis Professional Envy II Premier Edition. We got 6,700 SPMs. You can run it corded or cordless. Elevated tapers and fades. I don't know what that means, but it says that right there. Stainless steel phase blade with long-lasting ceramic cutter. Lithium-ion battery provides up to 2.5 hours of consistent power, lightweight and well-balanced for all-day comfort. So we do get the phase blade on here in case anybody is interested or anyone's asking. It does come with the phase blade. It's got a premium gold housing, premium charging stand, long-lasting battery, like I said, customizable lever options. So that's pretty dope. You can put the lever on the right side or the left side, whatever side you want, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and unbox this Andis Envy II Premier Edition clipper. Now, once again, guys, I've already used this, so it's gonna have some hair on it and stuff, but y'all don't mind that too much, man. But check it out. This is how it looks coming straight out of the box. We get a box inside of the box, so let me take this thing off. Envy cordless clipper, as y'all can see. We're gonna open that up. We get a Hey Creator Andis card in there, and then as you can see, the clipper sits in there just like that. Check that out right there. Nice looking clipper. We're gonna go ahead and pull this clipper out so y'all can see how this clipper actually looks. So check it out, man. Here is the cordless Envy II. Now, I do believe that they have it in gold and in black, so you get two options. Once again, if you are interested, you can go check them out on their website or on fwbarbersupply.com. And I think they got two options, man. They got the gold joints, and then they got the black joints also. As y'all can see, it does come with a phase blade on there. We have a floating lever right here, as y'all can see. On and off switches right here. So we'll turn it on for y'all. As y'all can hear the motor on it. Doesn't sound very, very loud. It sounds like a soft, forgiving motor on there. And then we got the charging port at the bottom. And yeah, man, that's basically it. But that's the clipper. Y'all check that out. Now let's go ahead and continue looking at what comes in the box. So like I showed y'all earlier, we do have the charging dock. Let me get that out of here. We got the charging dock right there. So you can go ahead and sit your clipper inside of the charging dock on your station and let it charge while you're cutting. You don't have to, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to let it die. You can let it charge while you're, while you're using your trimmers or in between clients. And then they also provide you, and I'm not gonna take this out, but they also provide you another lever. So if you wanted to switch it to the opposite side, you can do that with that lever. But let's go ahead and take this off and see what else comes in here.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
So check it out, man. We do get a charger, or charging cord, or a charger, a plug, an adapter, whatever you want to call it. We get the charging cord right here. Nice charging cord from Andis. And then we do get a set of guards, because one thing about this clipper is it doesn't have a traditional Andis master blade or like a wall style blade. So you have to use specific guards for this clipper. So they send you a set of guards. I want to say it's the half all the way up to the half up to the 8, maybe. It might be the 6, I don't know, man. But you get the guards right here. I'm gonna show you the guard real quick. So this is the 0 guard, as y'all can see. So they kind of resemble like wall guards, like the style of guards, but the blade is a little different. So it's not easy for you to put another guard on there. Like you might break it if you try to snap on another guard. But nonetheless, man, we get that. We get the pamphlet that your boy never looks at. We get a little cleaning brush that don't nobody ever use, and then we get some Andis oil that some people may use, some people may not. But nonetheless, man, once again, here is the Andis Envy II clipper with the charging dock. It's a nice premium charging dock, as y'all can see. Got the Andis branding right there, and we do have the charging port in the back. So you can just plug the charger into this, and it is gonna charge. But that's basically what comes in the box, man. You get the clipper, you get the charger, you get some oil, a cleaning brush, the charging stand, the cord, and another lever. And that's basically everything that comes in the box. Oh yeah, and you get some guards. But yeah, man, so now that we know what comes in the box, let's go ahead and start talking about the actual performance and what I think about this clipper. All right, so before we actually start talking about that, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all one more time so y'all can hear it. So when I first turned this clipper on, I'm not gonna lie, I really wasn't a fan of how it sounded. Like, it just doesn't sound like it's gonna be a super, super powerful clipper, which is probably not designed to be a super powerful clipper. You know, I see a lot of people who do use this, they use this with the Masters, and I believe the Masters is a more powerful clipper. At least it feels that way. So when I turned this on, I don't wanna say that I was disappointed, but I was like, all right, man, let's see what this thing's gonna do. It don't sound too powerful, it don't sound like, it doesn't feel like it's got a powerful motor in it, but we're gonna give it a run and we're gonna see how it, see how it works. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it actually impressed me. Now, I'm not saying that this is the best clipper overall or saying that this is even the best clipper from Andis, because I think that their Andis Masters is better. But all in all, I would say that it is a decent clipper. I don't know what the price is, so I believe if it's somewhere like from 150 and below, I would say for that price, this is a good clipper, right? But let's go ahead and start talking about a little bit about what you see here. So as you can see, we have the lever right here. Now, one thing I would say about the lever is, coming straight out the box, it was a little too tight. But it wasn't a big issue. All I really had to do was unscrew this right here. And when I unscrewed it a little bit, it helped loosen up the lever and help the lever move a little easier, right? So it really wasn't a big deal. However, this clipper does not extend as much as the Andis Masters. At least it doesn't seem like it. So, you know, the lever isn't as, it's not like a stretch lever. It's just like a regular style lever, which isn't bad. You know, some people like that. And then they do provide you with the half guard and the 1.5 guard. So it really isn't an issue when it comes to blending. Now, speaking of blending, when I was blending with this, as y'all see in the video, I did do some pretty blurry blends with it. You know what I'm saying? I like the way it worked, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. It may be me because I know how to use tools. You know, it just takes me a little while to get used to them. Some people may not like the way it works, but I like the way that it blended. And the reason why I do is the motor on it, it's just, it's not a strong motor, right? But it is really forgiving. At least it felt that way for me. Like, I felt like if I would have went too high with something, it really wouldn't have been an issue because I had a little more, you know, forgiveness with this clipper while I was using it. And then I do want to talk about the ceramic cutting blade. So it comes with a ceramic cutting blade. And I think that is a great cutting blade. I used to use ceramic cutting blades on my old clippers. And I was surprised that they put this on there. But when I used it, I gotta say it worked really well. Like, when it came to debulking, it actually was debulking the hair great, and it wasn't snagging any hair, it wasn't pulling, and it was actually getting the hair down to that length pretty quickly. You know what I'm saying? So I was actually impressed with this ceramic cutter, and I honestly didn't think it was gonna work that good, but it did, and it really did impress me. Now, when it comes to actually talking about the ergonomics of this clipper, I'm not the biggest fan of it, right? Like, I'm not saying that it's bad, it's just not my personal favorite. However, it is really lightweight. I think it's a little bigger than what I like to use. You know, I just thought it was gonna be a little smaller, but it's not bad. It's just, I thought it was gonna be a little smaller, right? But it is super lightweight. So if you like clippers like this and you like lightweight clippers, this may be a clipper you wanna try. And once again, when it came to just the performance of it, I was really impressed with it, man. I did not expect it to cut as good as it did. And not saying that I thought it was gonna be bad, but I know that the Andis Masters is like, Andis is like holy grail of clippers. So when I seen this one coming out and I seen people using it, I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know how that thing gonna work. But in all actuality, man, it actually worked really good. And I actually did enjoy using it. Now, One thing that I didn't know about this clipper until a couple days after I was using it is if you take off these screws and take off this blade, you can actually put an Andis master blade on there. And that's gonna be a whole nother video. So if you're interested in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell. That way you know when I do drop that video, because I got that video coming soon also. But so just so y'all know, it does have another set of screws just so you can put a master blade on there, whether it be a fade blade, whether it be the traditional taper blade or the phase blade. You can put any of those blades on here with the Andis master screws. But with that being said, man, all in all, I think it is a great tool. They provide you with the guards you need, but y'all know I'm not big on having a lot of guards on my station, so I was kind of disappointed that you can't fit like regular wall guards on there. But like I said, if you change the blade, I already have the Andis guards, the master guards on my station, so you know, so we're gonna talk about that in another video. But other than that, I really don't think that it's bad. All in all, I would say that the performance of it is good. Once again, not the best, but you can get the job done with just this clipper, not using anything else, because I did it in this video. And once again, guys, if you do want to purchase the Envy II clipper from Andis, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10 on their website, or you can just go to the Andis website. I'll make sure to put the link in the description also, and you can purchase it directly from them. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.